The coin cell in your zTV remote should last about 4 months on typical use. When it's time to swap, follow this quick guide. No special tools, just a fingernail or small flat screwdriver. Peel the silicone safety sleeve off the front edge, roll it toward the back, and slide it free. This keeps kids from reaching the battery. Flip the remote over. In the middle, you'll see a tiny notch. Press a fingernail or mini driver into it and gently pry the lid upward. Work along the edge until it pops. Slide the CR2032 coin cell forward. If it's snug, gently push from the edge with a small flat screwdriver, being careful not to touch the electronics. To install a fresh CR2032 battery, angle it under the metal clip, press, and push until fully seated, plus side up. Line up the door tabs with the case slots and press until you hear a click. Hold the center button for 2 seconds. If the LED flashes green, the battery is correctly installed, but if no light appears, the battery is likely upside down and should be reinserted with the plus side facing up. Face the remote toward you, curl the edges down, and stretch the sleeve back so the IR sensors peek through, and stay aimed at the TV. Curl the silicone cover forward until it fully encases the remote, ensuring the sensor holes line up. If they're off, simply rotate the sleeve with your fingers until everything aligns. When reattaching the zTV remote to the Velcro, position it so the sensor faces the TV exactly as before. Hold the center button for 2 seconds to test. The TV should power on. Thank you. If you run into any issues, please reach out to our support team.